Guys, we are here now in um, one of the place in Erie, Pennsylvania. So we're looking at chicks. So they have a lot of chicks that they are selling. So look at that, they have a line here. There is a small one, different color. There is black and brown. It's so cute. And the name of this one is French Pearl. There's Kenya Pearl. Bantam. I think, honey, this is Bantam.
Look, it's little eggs.
Huh?
Little eggs.
Yeah, look, it is said here Bantams.
Small eggs.
Yeah, look at that, very small. The chicken is very small. Did you see?
Okay.
And this one, this is a turkey. Oh, they look like a chicken. I thought it's a chicken.
These are ducks.
So this is chicken and ducks. It is $8.49 and $4. And the chick Old Faithful Brie is $4.99. Look at the that's the duck, and then the other side is the chicken, the chicks. So they are all laying eggs. So we're gonna go to the other side. So this is black Australorp chicken. The price is $4.99, and the other one is Olesiandot. The price is $5.89. This is in Erie, Pennsylvania. So this is the chicken that we have right now. So it's So this one is a black Jersey Giant. The egg is extra large size. And then the other one is light Brahma. The egg, medium size brown eggs. The other one is Rhode Island, large size brown eggs also. So let's see this one. There are many in here. Now we're going to the other side. So this one is a Rhode Island. It is a large size brown egg, and the other one is Sapphire Sky, large size brown egg. And then,
Did you hear me?
yeah, this is the chicken that we have right now. Look at this, there are so many. There are so many. There are many chicks in here. And the price of this is $6.99. The other one is $4.99. That's the Rhode Island. The other one, I'm gonna look at this. So look at that's different one. So this is a French waiting Marans. The price is $9.99. It's the blue, large color blue. It's Mystic Moran, that large size brown egg. They are growing already. So the around buff of pinto. Many of this one in here. So the price of this is $4.99, and medium size brown eggs. So this is the one. And there have other chicken in here, black and white. I don't know what's the color of this, but this is the one that they're gonna be in the when they grow. This is a medium sized light brown eggs, medium. The name of this chicken is Silver Lace Yandu. And the other one is chick hen days, black sickling, large size brown eggs. So the price of this is $4.99, and this is what they look like. Yeah. If you are interested to buy, so it's here in Erie, Pennsylvania, close to Sam's Club. Thank you for watching, guys.